Hi guys, welcome to another nail video. In this video I'm doing a review of the Konad clear jelly stamper, and it is the happy one. The box is amazing. I love the box. Look how pretty this box is. So just opening it here, and oh my god, I'm in love. I want them all now, that's all I can say. So more collecting for me. Look how cute them bottles are with the little people on. I love it. It is amazing. And the stamper, oh my god, look, and you get the little stamping thing, scraper, sorry, that comes out. It is so amazing. Perfect for storage. And then the plate, I was in love. I was just hoping that it stamps as well as my clear jelly stamper does. So let's go in. Right, I'm using my lint-free roller first on my clear jelly stamper to make sure there's no fluff. Then I'm going in with some 100% pure acetone on some lint-free wipes to wipe over the plate to make sure there's nothing on there. The wipes are OPI and you can get them from anywhere. Making sure I give that a damn good wipe. Now I'm going in with the black here, but it didn't cover all the image, so I went in and I did do this image again. As you can see here, it missed quite a bit of the image out, and I just wanted to pick up all the image to show you guys. It picked up perfectly though, so I'm just cleaning it all up and going in again. Oh, also guys, happy Valentine's Day. I hope you've all had cards and presents. So I'll go in again and I make sure I put plenty of polish on, because the polish is a lot thinner than clear jelly stamping polishes, so that's why it didn't cover. But look, perfect pickup. Look how cute that is. Perfect for Love Day. Amazing, look, I love it. It went on so good. It picked up so good. It picked up every last bit of detail. Clean it off again, and I will go in to do another image. Using the black again, I'm going to do them two people there because I thought it's perfect for Love Day. The only problem was that both the people didn't fit on the swatch perfectly, so I don't know if it'd be better on a natural nail or a nail extension. I'm going to do this image now. It's a little man with like a heart on his fingers or hand. As you can see, it picked up again perfectly. There is another one out called Honeymoon, which I am looking to invest in. I got the lips on that one as well. I went in and done the two people at the bottom with the little sunshine there and some shoes, because us women love our shoes. I do prefer it black stamping polish onto the white nail rather than the black nail and the white stamping polish, but that just may be me. Now I'm going to go in and do the little pussy cat, because as you know I have 5 cats, so I do love my cats. I think I did pick up 2 images on this one as well. Well, my review on this is good. It's a must-have for any stamping enthusiast. The money, it was £14 I think. I don't know how much that is in dollars. And I love it. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.